and welcome to Alpha. So we are now going to be trading some binary option live. First of all, make sure you like this video. You help me tremendously just by doing so. Also, if you lost this live stream and you see this as a recording, make sure you subscribe my channel, turn the bell notification on, and also if you want to trade together with me, you should just start with the demo account first, of course. I always tell you that. So you can see if you manage to follow. You find a link below the video. And if you decide to go in with real money, well, that will be up to you, of course. You find then also a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. The promo code is Alpha1. I will now start to prepare everything so we can start a trade. Just bear with me while I do so, and we will get started. As always, I will set up a tablet here on the side so I can follow the chat. I am live in the Academy, Discord and YouTube. I will only follow the chat in the Academy and in YouTube. Okay. So just bear with me while I do this. Okay, I will now able to follow the chat. Let me set up let me share my screen. There. Okay, cool. Now, as you all know, I do run a robot at the same time, so I will start up that one right now. There, because after this live session I make a recap video where I show my results from the live session, plus I will compare it with a binary option robot that will trade in the same time we are live. Okay, let's see if I can. There, comfortable, get things in order. Okay, let's find some peers we can trade. Today I will try to get up a few more currencies. Okay, that looks like any currencies today are paying 78% normal, only OTC. Then we are more or less forced to trade some OTC here today. Okay, let's try that then. I don't like that much to trade to OTC for currencies, but let's give it a try. Let's try this tree at least, see how we do, and we take it from there. By the way, here looks nice. I take a down trade here now if we get up here again. Let's see. Actually, here is a little high. No, I think I skip it. Please skip it. And he's going down by the way now. So let's start with Ripple and let's take from the side and let's go. Here we see a trend downwards. We do see a support here. We don't trade that one. I'm tempted to take a trend line trade. Let me see. No, I think I skipped that also because it's too small area. No, we go to the next. Here we see are getting lower, lower, lower. You can see that clearly. Not much, but a little. And you see he's even breaking lower here now. This area might be something. out here. We see that was good before. We are not going to take out this bar, of course. Let's see if the next will come down in that region. By the $100 trades. That's what I can say. Yeah, that looks nice. We closed it in the area I'd like. So if we can get down there again, I'm ready. So sadly today we just have OTC pairs, but that's completely fine. I can't be trading a 60% pair. Then we, even with our win rate, will be pretty hard to turn profit. We need our 78 minimum, or at least 70 something. Let's see. We are ready. By the way, if any of you have checked out my cryptocurrency videos, make sure you do so, because it's super beautiful passive income. I have done some calculations, and I figured out that if you choose, because you take all your profit, right, and you scale it, and you buy only, I have calculated from all the contracts that you can buy. If you buy the on the pool mining, of course with current prices, if you buy the 100 kilohertz speed, that's the one you should buy. So every time you save up enough to buy one contract, that means everything you make, you buy. Within 188 days, with my current setup now, I should start to make at least $50 a day profit. And then I will also be able to keep my current level of income. Of course, I'm, like I said, my target with the mining is to take it to 100. So let's see. But at least the cool thing is that it does not take that long time before you start to make what you can consider one income. And I will say, I will consider as one income when you start to have $100 a day. So I think that's cool, with something that you basically spend, I would say, a day I spend maybe 2 minutes work on. If I don't consider, of course, the videos. Videos is a type of work also, but that's different. So if you're going to compare it with the one that is not making videos, you basically spend 2 minutes and you can scale it up to something like that. I will say that is a very good type of passive income, because passive income needs to be passive, right? That means you spend more or less zero time on it, then it's a passive income. And this cryptocurrency mining, that is real passive income. So that is something I'm a little invested in now. Not much, a little. I'm conflicted how big I'm going to take it. But for now I want to take it in a level I think that anyone can do. Just start slow, and then the ones that join me in this journey, they will be able to have the same like me. So I think that is pretty cool. Now when that is set here, we do see we have a trend going downwards. We still have some space left here to move into, so I think I still will take a trade on here. So yes, if you're not done yet, make sure you go in and check out this cryptocurrency videos, because my channel started with cryptocurrency. I actually not correct. I started with binary option, but my channel grew with cryptocurrency. And at the time I made only cryptocurrency videos, I made thousands of views on my videos. Compared with now, I see typical video I put up now, after a few days get like 40 views. It's sad to see how little interest there is, but well, YouTube changed that algorithm all the time, plus they did remove my monetization for some reason. So yeah, what can I say? It's not that fun to make videos when you get so few views, but well, nothing I can do with it. That's why we are building up Discord. My Discord place is where in the future I will post everything. I don't think YouTube will be a thing for me in the future, but I need to grow. I need to figure out a ways I can grow my Discord without bringing people from YouTube. So I know we have this invite button. I think later maybe I will do some competitions there, so people invite. I did that in the past. I think maybe I'll need to do that again, so I start to get some flow of new people all the time. I think that is the way to go. Now he's quite stubborn in this region here. I would like to be down here, as we also have this trend going downwards. Makes sense. I think as for now we still have enough space to go on. I'm ready to go in if we can just get down to my level. It would be nice to get in the first trade of the day, and then that will be a winner. Let's see. By the way, yesterday my Forex robot did pass part 1 of the challenge for the Fivers prop challenge, and already he had done 30% of the next past 2 challenge. The past 2 is just 5%, so I think it will go much faster. The first was 8. The thing is, I made that robot to be running safe, not to be... there are many that have these robots that pass a challenge in 1 week. I did not want that. I wanted a robot that could trade safe, take its time, and pass the challenge, but you will not need to do anything after. Just let it run the way you have it. That was my plan, and yeah, so looks like soon I will have a pass, hopefully, my first challenge with my robot. That would be cool. That's something that I think will be quite amazing. We just need to be patient with the robot, because the robot takes its time, of course. But yeah, it was cool to see. So for the ones that want to see it while they're waiting here, we could do that. The Fivers, just so you can see. I can load it up in the background here now. So you can see here now we can go to client area. Log in with Google. Let's choose this one here. And here you can see we passed this one here. Was 5,400, and now you can see we are in high stake 2. That means part 2 of the challenge. So if you push here, we go to dashboard. And here you see that step 1 is 8%, step 2 is 5%. And you see this passed step 1, we are now in step 2. And you see I have taken 1 trade already. And here you can see the trade he did was a win. So it's a robot, it's not me, this is not me trading. So it's pretty cool, and you see already in the trade number 2 here now, it's running $14 in profit. So looks like after, we have not even traded 1 day yet, and he already soon are 50% along with the challenge. So yeah, if you want this robot, let me know. This robot you need to pay for because it's that good. The price is set to $99 for this robot, but it's lifetime, of course. So then you have the robot for lifetime. So, but yeah, pretty soon I will pass this challenge here. That's a cool thing. Then I will have my first prop challenge done with a robot. I think that is pretty cool. First trade of the day, by the way. Let's see how that will play out. Now, 8, 6. Come on now, give me I want a win in the start. Come on. No, that was a 0 trade actually. That is rare. Very rare I get that type of things, but a 0 trade. So, not a win, not a lose, just a 0. Okay. Now let's see if the trade number 2 will play in good. We are deep in the money right now. Yes, sweet. We got our first win, and Eternal got a win also. Very good, Eternal. Happy to see that. Did you take a second trade like me also? So there we have our $98. Let's see, this one did go in 0. That is very. I think I have not seen that many 0 trades, to be quite frankly. Because you need to exact on the dot, that is almost impossible to do. So, but I will be grateful, by the way, because I could have then as easily have lost this trade as won it. So to get a 0 trade, I take it. No worries at all. I take that. So that means we are $98 to now. Yeah. By the way, so I have not made so much videos about this here, but I can also show you how the robot did the trades. Let me go back to account overview. If this is boring for you to check this, let me know. I'm just showing how the robot have been doing, because it's a little proud of this robot I made for Forex, I need to admit. I started with a paid robot, but as you will see, it didn't do so good. I started with a paid robot when I started this robot, and then he started to go in minus. Then here, exact in the bottom, I turned on my own robot, and you can see how it did. One big, lost a little, one big, lost a little, and you see the curve all the way up. To see a beautiful curve going up like this, that's a good robot. So yeah, I'm very proud of this robot I made here. So yeah, make sure you tell me if you want me to make videos about this. Like I said, I have not been so good to take this type of videos, but yeah. For the ones that have been wondering, yes, the robot is still doing good, and we are in phase 2, and that looks like we are going to pass that one also. And when we pass that one, then we have the first funded account with a binary option robot, and that is that's cool. It will be my first robot that will have a challenge. So that is new for me. And once again, for the ones that know me, I love my passive income, and that is pure passive income also. I don't do nothing with it, I just let it run, and just let it basically print money when that time comes. I've been running on my own accounts, of course, but it will be the first time that will be a funder account. That is pretty damn cool. I'm still going to take a trade. I will see if I can get a little above the blue line, hopefully. if we get up there again, of course. Let's see. If we let's see now, I'm ready. I did like this pair. Ethereum Classic is one of my favorites because it's one of the pairs that I have been quite successful with. Was this one and Binance Coin in the past I liked the most, but for some reason they did remove Binance Coin. Maybe they did not have the rights to have Binance Coin because as it's from Binance, right? Maybe they are not allowed to have it. Can be. It is only Binance that can have Binance Coin. I don't know. Tradable, I mean. This I'm not sure of. Might be some reason like that. But yeah, Binance Coin was my favorite, and Ethereum Classic was my number 2. So you can see also here from the start, we have done decent. 2 trades, 1 0 and 1 winner. So yeah, but now we're moving a little away. What I also can see here, we do have, if I can mark this correctly, here we can see some type of trend going upwards. Let's see if we stop here now. Looks like it. And that means we still have some space left, so I believe that we'll get up to this line again. So I don't think I will, I was planning to move with the quant, but as I see this trend line, I believe we get up there again. Let's see what happened here now. He's still respecting our line. Respecting means that he will close above it. If we close below, then we'll move along over to quant. Let's see. By the way, make sure you like this video in YouTube. You help me tremendously just by doing so. Also, if you are in Discord, you are able to help me there also. You will see in live there now, you will see our invite button. So if you have any friends you think have any interest about this type of things, because I don't believe there are so many YouTubers that are trading live every single day. So if you think you have any friends that are interested about this, invite them. I would be happy to have more people into my live streams. Because I said before, and I will say again, especially in the chat here in YouTube, if I could have some more activity there, that would be nice. But of course, if we can get more people into Discord, then I will, instead of following the chat in YouTube, I will rather follow the chat in Discord. So if you can get some more people in, that would be nice. And yes, I think I will do some competitions in the future, some invite competition or something in Discord. Maybe give away a funded account or something, or if just give away some money maybe, and you can choose to keep it for yourself or put it into a broker. Yeah, something like that. I think I'll do that. I would like to grow my Discord also. Okay, you see it's still respecting the trend, so I think it's possible for us to get a trade up here again. Now, I don't think I want to trade so much longer because let's say we take a trade on this at the next minute. If we don't get up here by the next minute, I think we need to move on because this trend line will push us, and we might get a higher high here if we continue. Yeah. It's testing down here again. I think you move on. I think you move on. They move on. Let's go to quant. Here I basically see nothing right now. I could have been trading down in this region here. We can mark it at least for later. Something along of the area down here I will be interested, but as you see we are very far away. I don't want to trade this area here. No, let's move on. Let's move this so you can see things better. You will sometimes, when I come into a pair, you will see some old lines. Does not mean we're going to trade on them. That is lines that we had from before. Okay, so I would probably trade on here, but like here, this area down here, for example, you can see we've been away for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. More than 10 minutes, typically like 15, then I will lead on new test. So here also, I will not trade down here right away, but if you can take a beautiful test of this area, a beautiful test will be something that the bar come down, something like this, then on the next I will take a trade. Now in the top here, would I trade here? Do you know what? Probably yes. So if we can get up to around there, I will take it. So this is our trading zone right now. I will take a trade up here. Try maybe to get a little above it, because you see we have two spikes a little above it. So if we can, and you see this one close, it's actually pretty high. So to give ourselves a little space for a little lag when you push the button, because that can happen as we're trading in a brochure. I would prefer to try to get the entry a little above it. Let's see. Then you wonder why we don't trade this area here. Yeah, we could have done it. Nothing wrong about trading here. Me personally, I don't like to have two trading zones too close to each other. So when I see something like this, I always choose the one I feel is better. And in that case, I feel this one is stronger than this one. I have a feeling we'll break down here very soon. Because the overall view is a little downwards trend. So I believe that this one will break. But of course, if you're taking trades here, you would have got a few winners, so you would make profit down here. But me personally, I will not take it. If nothing happens in a short time now, we'll move on. You see here now, he even broke a little lower. So for the ones that later will check my cryptocurrency videos, currently I'm making around $7 a day with cryptocurrency. So, but I'm scaling it, so I'm not making nothing, of course, because everything I'm making I will transfer over to new contracts, and I will do so for 4 or 5 months at least before then I will start to take out a little. So we can say 35, 7. I buy a contract basically each 5 days right now. So, and that will of course go faster the more contracts I get in. And here you can see what happened, like that. He chose to break this area. So that's why I was not trading this support here. Let's move on. Okay, we do see a trend here. We don't like that. That means we are not so interested in any area down here, so we can just move on. Now, I would take a trade down here. Let's see. this market. We have not been away so long, so down in that region here will be interesting. 15 seconds trade. When it comes to OTC pairs, I prefer 15. The only times I change this for 30 is if you have an area like this, for example, and you have, let's say you have a resistance here, for example, and you have many bars that are very long like this, then I try, for example, to get a trade in the middle or something. By the way, we are getting closer now. Come on now. I'm holding my mouse over here now to let go. Let's see if the market will give us a second win of the day. That will be quite nice. I do not like that much OTC on Forex. Now on the typical, they call it currency, but I have currency pairs. The thing is that I don't know how many people are really trading on them, because as we know, OTC is on the network base. I would not trade here, as we have this done here now. Let's see, this is a resistant area, let's hope it holds. We see up here, we see we got a refusement up here. Let's hope we go down again now. Slow till now. As you can see, we have just taken 2 trades, 1 in 0 and 1 winner. So just 2 trades now. We have been trading for 32 minutes, so that is a slow day. But it's better to take less trades than just invent trades also. I'm hoping it's holding here now. Let's see. For now it's holding. No, looks like it's breaking up. Let's take next pair. Okay. You can see over here, this was an area, but he's way above it. I would say the first area would be really interested. Need to be up around here. We can mark it, see if we come back around up around there. If you can get up there, I might be interested. In the bottom, this area is actually quite decent also. You see that was holding as good for support here, good for resistance up here. So we can mark that one also around down there. That might be our zone. We do have a support here, so maybe he stops. Let's see. I think he broke it. So that means next stop will be down here. We have not been away that long time, so we can take a trade on the first test of this line down there. I'll change for 15 if we get down there again. Let's wait and see what will happen. Little extra tired now from morning. They're calling someone to take some blood off me today, so I was not allowed to drink coffee from morning. Me without coffee don't work good in morning. So yeah, not so happy about that. Okay, now let's see, let's zoom in. So I'm targeting a little bit below the blue line. If I can get that, that will be better. I will, because you see this one's a little below it, so if I can push and see him a little below the blue line, I would like that. That basically told me my mining. I will, but I need to follow here also. Each 12 hours for the mining. This is on the cell phone. We need to get this money. Also, let's see. Holding the mouse now on the up button, so I'm ready to go in with a fast trade. If I see him go a little below, if he should below, I don't take it. Right now looks beautiful. I take it there. He closed it below. I didn't like that, but we are in by the way. Let's see how this will play out. Just fixing my miner, and I'll check if I want to loss after. There. Okay, I lost the trade. Okay. Completely fine. Minus, let's see here, 98, minus 100, we are $2 minus. I did not need calculator to figure out that, but I do that by the way. I think move my line down there. We are still okay. Let's see. For now we are not reaching where I'd like to have my second trade, almost. There, I'm in. Now let's see. Come on now. Give me a win here now. And we are quite deep in the money right now. Looks like we got that one. Sweet. We are back up in profit again. My profit is now $96. Oh, I should not have taken there. I did see him break down. Don't feel bad if you did not take this trade. You should not do. And I lost that one. My own fault. When I see he broke down too fast. That was not a trade that should have taken. Should not have taken that last trade. I did see him and I did push, and I regretted it right after they take it. Because when you see him break down, we don't take trades. So let's move on. Okay. Here we can see we are going a trend downwards. Not beautiful, but it is a trend by the way. We can remove this line here for confusement. I don't think this is a thing more. I think we can move on from the Ripple. You took it also? Yeah, that's the thing. Sometimes you push the button and you're not supposed to. Here I can basically see nothing. Let's move on. Down here looks quite nice. I like it a lot. Yeah, I like this area. I will take trade on here if we get down there again. Let's see. That's the thing, we maybe would have been better off just trading on Ethereum Classic. But it's boring. I don't like the trade so boring. To just keep on one pair. We are moving quite far away from this one, so we need to move on. Okay, this area down here looks nice. I will take a trade, 15 up. Let's see how that will play out. Come on now, we are deep in the money. Wow, another $98. That means we are back up in profit, $94. I will continue here. We have this entry level here, it's quite nice. I'm ready again if we get down there. Let's see. We are on Quant, OTC pair. I was a little slow on trigger, left this one there. Almost again. Oh, he's moving away from our line, but not enough, so we can still be waiting here. Come on now. Okay. He's moving very fast. I don't like when he moves so fast because it's difficult to get a good entry. But that means many people are trading. That's the thing. Many people are trading down here. So you need to be careful. If you see him shoot below, fast below our blue line, we don't go in, okay? I know it's difficult, but we need to try to measure that so we don't do mistakes. I'm concentrating as much as I can here to get an entry. For me, I have not managed to take fast enough triggers. You can say 2 times he did go down to the blue line. Eternal, did you take any of these trades? For me, it was too fast. I had no way. Let me zoom in if it's he really. This one I will say touching, but this one maybe not. But when you zoom out, you don't see that, of course. So I will say both these 2 trades here would be adjustable to take. Me personally, I'm not fast enough to take it, but maybe you are. Now let me see. No, we're going far away. Let's go back to Ethereum Classic. Let's see. That is our favorite. So, okay, he's basically in the middle. So we are not trading there. Let's check Polygon. Down around here could be nice. I'll make a new line there. I would say down there would be nice. I'll change for 50. Let's see. Disregard this green line. I will remove it now. We're not having nothing on that one. If you can get down to this blue line there, I think that could be something. I think I'll move it a little up there. Yeah. If you get down again, I will take it. Let's see. Overall view is a downwards trend, so be aware of that. We can draw a trend line there, but we have much space. I will draw it so you can see. We have a trend line looking something like this. But as you can see, we have a lot of space left here. So There you can see it. Zoom out, you can see a long-term trend downwards. But we have a lot of space. We will not have any problem in this live session to take any trade on there. Now let's see. So this live session we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, and we lost 2. 1 is 0. And like I said, 0 is something I have not seen that often, because you can think about it, that is very difficult to get a 0 trade. And Maverick have 2-0, that is good. Congratulations, and by the way, welcome into the chat. Nice to see you here. We do have a support here that is holding. I will not trade on that level. I want us to come down here again. There, looks like he's breaking it finally, or maybe not. Let's see. Make it close. I'm holding my bottom now to try to take a trade. If you get down there now, let's see. Be sweet, turn a little better profit. I should not have taken it. I think it should be low. Once again, mistake from my side. We did see him shoot below. I don't like when he do that. Then we are back to square one. We have 0 again. I say 0 because we have $24 up here, so we have a small profit. But what happened here? Did it go from here and all the way up there? Let me reload. This seems strange. Let's reload and see what happened. That is weird. See here, we were here and suddenly he ended up here. And when we reload is now, that is actually the first glitch I have seen on this broker. Is that on your chart also? We see we close the bar here and suddenly he's up here. That seems weird. I think we move on from Polygon. That don't seems correct. I did not like that. So let's move away from Polygon. Here we are in a downwards trend. I think we are in the top of it right now. If we can mark it, let's see. There. Wait. There. By the way, it's not something you're trading now. Not this one either. Not this. Let's go back to Ripple. Same for you also. This I have not seen something like that before. That's my first time actually. That was very. We can actually see this in Forex, with that said. But that is when that's typically when the market is closed and then reopen the next day. Not the next day, but for example over a weekend. Okay, you can have a price here in Friday, and when you open in Monday, you can open up here. But that makes sense because the market has done something in between Friday and Monday, so it can start up here, for example. But for binary option, it does not make sense as it's a live market. That I don't know what happened there, but I did not like it, especially as I lost on that trade. But yeah, it's the first time I have seen, so maybe also glitch this one time glitch, I accept. If it's something that reoccur, I don't accept it. But for now, I don't think too much about it. Would I take a trade on here now? Let's see. This is 58. It's 11 minutes ago. Yes, I'll take a trade on there. But if not too long, maybe then this and the next 2-3 bars, I will take a trade on here. But then if go farther than that, we will need to have a test first. Let's see. So currently we are in 0 for the day. That's not something to write home for. We do have 7 minutes left, so we still have a possibility at least to turn profit if you can just find yourself a trade. But for that we need to come down here or up here. Let's see. Okay, now we are moving. I'm ready. Opa, forgot 15 seconds. That's one of the mistakes I do sometimes also, is that I forget to push to change the timer for 15 seconds. When you do 5 seconds, you basically are just gambling. Never take trades on 5 seconds. Okay, moving up again. But we have a resistance here, I hope it's holding. You can easily go down here again in 1 bar. By the way, I'm considering after I did see in Discord yesterday, I'm considering to maybe next year. I can't this year because I'm set with Academy, because I trade live in Academy at the same time. I'm considering moving my live session just a little bit, so it's because I know most of my the few viewers I have, they are from United States. So I'm considering to move just a couple of hours or something later in the day, so it'll be a little easier for my American friends to join this live session also. Because I understand it's early for me, but it's even earlier for them. I wake up typically for this live session, I wake up 6 in the morning. Because yes, I do prepare a little before live session. Preparing basically means wake up. But yeah, I wake up 6 myself, but I understand it's early for some people to do it for these live sessions. So we'll see if they maybe move it a couple hours. So because if that can help, we can maybe get in more people. But then I go for it. But it needs to be, as I see, that will be more people joining also, because I feel we got a little wrong way. A couple of months back, we had like 20 people in YouTube in my live sessions. Currently says 2 on my tablet. So that is a joke when you have almost 6,000 followers. YouTube is not helping me that much, I think. So okay. Sophia is 2:30. Wow. Okay. So 2 hours for you will not make that much difference, and will actually will make it worse for you to have it 2 hours later. I need to figure out this. I think I need to put up a pool or something in Discord. Run it over a longer period of time, so I make sure many vote, and figure out a time. But need to be a time that fits for me also. That's a problem. For me, morning fits quite good, because then I can make this live session and then I can make videos through my day, work day. Because in the end, it's the videos I make most with. That's the thing. A little annoying if you're not finding any trades, but the thing is, that's the thing, I don't take trades if you don't have any either. This area up here might be something. Around there looks quite nice. I will take if we get up there again, let's see. Okay, that is good. But where in, that's it, the problem with the United States, there's so many time zones there. Because I think was one told that he wake up around 5 to do the live session. I have 7. And then I remember was one from Florida, I think it was. I think there was just 1 hour different. I have not checked it, by the way, I'm just guessing. So there are so many time zones in the United States. I think it's difficult to fit everyone, especially fit me, because like I said, for me I prefer to have a live session from morning. Then yet again, when I just see so few people live, it's concerning, because it's more fun for me if I see. I always wanted to have more than 100 my live sessions, but we're going the wrong way, so I need to figure this out. Maybe it's because I use the same logo every single day, because I did not bother to change it in YouTube. Maybe if I start to change it up and make it different, maybe I get more people in. I don't know. I will need to figure this out, because we have too few people in my live sessions. By the way, we are done for today. The little boring. We basically did go in 0 today. That is not something that not a winning day, not a losing day. Yesterday I made a small profit. Today we go in 0. But all over this week is good. But yeah. But we also did not take that many trades today. We just did like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I prefer when we get like about 10 at least. So, okay. Okay, so that's the thing. United States have so many time zones. I think it's difficult. You did take profit. As long as you made a profit, I'm happy for that. I think Eternal made a loss, so I'm not happy with that. But yeah, that's it for today. I will be back again tomorrow, same time. Like I said before, I will be trading all Christmas also. Whatever day it is in Christmas, I will be trading Monday to Friday, the same time. So not to worry, there will be all live sessions all through the new year and everything. So just make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification so you don't lose live stream just like this one. Okay, so 1 hour late. Okay, I will see what I will do. I will think about it now in Christmas, what I do from New Year if I move it a little ahead. I will see what I do. So, with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you.